Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss how to add geodatabase feature class to a map. It is important if you want to work on feature class in ArcGIS Pro. So it is important to you. So please listen carefully this video. First we open ArcGIS Pro software. After open ArcGIS software, we go to catalog pane, and here right hand side we go to folder, and we right click and add folder connection, and we give a path if you have your data. Here is our data and OK. After connection we go to folder and we go to save file. We have here our GDB file, and we go to under GDB file, and here is our GDB file, and we add one to one. If you want to add all, you select all and drag here, and here is adding data. Here is our data is added. You see here our data is added. You zoom in and zoom out. Our data is added. If you want to content, you go to content, and you see here all layer you added, and feature class. If you want to attribute, you right click and go to attribute, and you see here all attribute you see here is attribute.